What does the Schengen visa mean for Americans in Europe? Imagine planning a trip to Europe and wondering what rules you need to follow to stay longer or work there. That's where understanding the Schengen visa and related requirements comes in. For Americans, the main rule is that you can travel visa-free to the Schengen area for up to 90 days within any 180-day period. This means you can visit for tourism, business, or family reasons without needing a visa. But starting in late 2026, Americans will need to get an EDS travel authorization before entering. EDS is not a visa but a security check that allows multiple entries and stays of up to 90 days. It lasts for up to 3 years or until your passport expires. You apply online, pay a fee of about €6, and get approval usually within minutes or a few days. The Schengen area includes 27 European countries that have abolished internal border controls. This allows free movement between countries once you are inside. However, the Schengen visa itself is only for short stays, up to 90 days, and does not give you the right to work or live permanently. If you plan to stay longer or work, you need to apply for a national long-stay visa or residence permit from the country where you want to settle. Each country has its own rules, but common requirements include proof of income, health insurance, and sometimes a job offer or acceptance letter. For those wanting to live, work, or retire in Europe beyond the 90-day limit, applying for a national visa is essential. These visas can be for work, study, or retirement and often requiring paperwork like background checks, proof of funds, and health coverage. Keep in mind that the Schengen visa or EDS does not grant work rights. You must get a separate work permit or employment visa from the country's immigration office. When traveling, make sure your passport is valid for at least 3 to 6 months after your planned departure date. You might also need to show proof of onward travel, enough money for your stay, and travel health insurance. Starting in October 2025, the entry and exit system will record biometric data like fingerprints and photos to improve border security. In summary, Americans can visit the Schengen area without a visa for up to 90 days, but starting in 2026, EDS will be required. For longer stays involving living or working, you need to apply for the appropriate national visa or residence permit. Knowing these rules helps you plan your European adventure smoothly and legally.